Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure you can change system services. You need admin rights. Once done, press Windows plus R, type Services, MSC, and locate Windows Search. Set its startup type to automatic and click Start. This turns on the core indexing engine. Next, open Control Panel and choose Indexing Options so you can control what gets indexed. Do this now because the service must be running before you rebuild or change index locations. Otherwise, nothing will update. Once the service runs, go to Indexing Options and click Advanced. Under Troubleshooting, choose Rebuild. This removes the old catalog and forces a fresh, consistent index. While it rebuilds, make sure important paths like %user profile %, program data, and any Outlook, PSD/OST are included. If performance is poor, exclude huge folders, then re-include selectively. This speeds completion. Also confirm file types and iFilter settings so file contents are indexed correctly. You finish by verifying the index status. Open Indexing Options and wait until it reports indexing complete with the expected item count. Try several searches to confirm results and responsiveness. Make sure to add a weekly scheduled task to rebuild if you change many files often. If search still fails, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and then sfc/scano and review Event Viewer for Windows search errors. This reveals permission or corruption issues you must fix next.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.